Good morning to all. I am T.M. Divakar, working as an assistant professor in Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Ichilkanji. I am taking basic electrical and electronic subject for first year. So today I am going to cover a PN junction diode. Let us see the definition of PN junction diode. A PN junction diode is a two-terminal or two-electrode semiconductor device which allows the electric current in only one directions. When n-type semiconductor is joined with a p-type semiconductor, a PN junction is formed. Here it is showing the diode symbol. It has two electrodes. One is the anode, which is having positive charge. Another is a cathode, which is having a negative charge. And here I am showing the conventional current flow, which is from positive to negative. Means this diode allows the current to flow from positive to negative. This is the p-type semiconductor is joined with the n-type semiconductor, and hence a PN junction is formed, and hence the name has given a PN junction diode. So before going to use this diode as a practical device or rectifying device, we firstly bias the PN junction. So there are two types of biasing conditions. Before that, we should know what is the biasing. So biasing is to apply the external voltage to the diode is called as a biasing. So there are two operating regions and three possible biasing conditions for the standard junction diode. So these are zero biasing, forward biasing, and reverse biasing. So let us see one by one. First one is a zero bias. In a zero bias, there is no external voltage potential is applied to the PN junction diode. Let us see. Second one is a forward bias. The voltage potential is connected positive to the p-type material and negative to the n-type material across the diode, which has the effect of decreasing the PN junction diode width. Here this is the circuit diagram for the forward biasing. It means positive terminal of the voltage potential is connected to the positive terminal of the diode. Negative terminal of the voltage potential is connected to the negative terminal of the diode. In other words, the positive terminal of the voltage potential is connected to the p-type material. The negative terminal of the voltage potential is connected to the n-type material, and which has a effect of decreasing the PN junction diode width. So this is the PN junction diode width, and it is a showing that in forward bias condition there is a very small diffraction layer. Thank you.